To interpret BestPlaces neighborhood rankings, start by understanding the methodology behind the rankings. BestPlaces uses a combination of factors such as cost of living, education, health, crime, and amenities to determine the overall quality of life in a neighborhood. The rankings are based on a scale of 1 to 100. With 100 being the best, the rankings are divided into several categories, including overall quality of life, cost of living, and education. When looking at the rankings, consider the specific criteria that are most important to you. For example, if you have children, you may want to prioritize neighborhoods with high rankings in education. If you are on a budget, you may want to prioritize neighborhoods with low cost of living rankings. It is also important to consider the demographics of the neighborhood, such as age, income level, and population density. This information can give you a better understanding of the community and help you determine if it is a good fit for you. In addition to the rankings, BestPlaces also provides detailed profiles of each neighborhood, including information on housing, transportation, and local amenities. These profiles can provide valuable insights into the quality of life in a neighborhood and help you make a more informed decision. When interpreting the rankings, it is also important to consider the margin of error. The rankings are based on data and statistical models, and there may be some variation in the actual quality of life in a neighborhood. To get the most out of the rankings, it is best to use them as a starting point for your research, rather than relying solely on the rankings. Visit the neighborhoods in person, talk to locals, and do your own research to get a more complete picture of the area. By following these steps and considering multiple factors, you can use BestPlaces neighborhood rankings to make a more informed decision about which neighborhood is right for you.